What's up, Peak Timers? It's case unboxing time, and today we have the 2020 Hot Wheels K case. The treasure hunt for this case is a Hot Wheels Ford truck, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the 57 Chevy. Let's see if we get either one of those inside. This case was provided by granatoys.com. If you guys want to get your own Hot Wheels case or singles, check out granatoys.com. They've got a ton of different Hot Wheels available all the time. All right, let's start unboxing it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. Our first car is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. That's the Tanner Fox edition. Then we've got the Velocita and a 68 Shelby GT500. And next we have another one of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS's, a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This one was previously the Super Treasure Hunt. This is just the mainline variation. Then we got the 1998 Honda Prelude. All right, good start. We've got a brand new color for the Audi RS5 Coupe in black. Very, very nice looking in that black color. We've got the 2020 Jeep Gladiator and another one of the 98 Honda Preludes. And next up, we've got the 49 Ford F1. We've got the Nissan 300ZX in that brand new Japanese police color. Love that. And we have the 57 Chevy, and this looks to be just the mainline variation. There is the Super Treasure Hunt variation of this one, though, so hopefully we'll get that one. We'll keep on looking through. Next, we've got the custom Ford truck right here. And this one is the Treasure Hunt. You can see that Treasure Hunt logo just on the top. So that's cool that we got the Treasure Hunt of the 49 Ford, or the 56 Ford truck, and the 68 Shelby GT500. And then we've got the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. So very cool. We got that Treasure Hunt. Another one of the Civic Type R's. Then we've got the 57 Plymouth Fury and Mad Props. All right, good case so far. We got the Rip Rod, nice new color of that one, the Velocita, and the 1990 Acura NSX. Then we've got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Boila Edition and two of the Beat Alls. All right. And then we've got the BMW Z4M Motorsports. There is that 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in that new white color. And we've got the Batcopter. Sorry, I almost said Bat Chopper, but it's Batcopter. And there we go. And another one of the 2018 Ford Mustangs, HW450F, and the BMW Z4M Motorsports. Another one of those. And what else do we have down here? There's another one of the Lamborghini Centenario Roadsters, the Jaguar XESV Project 8 in the new color, and the 86 Monte Carlo SS. That's an interesting looking one. I like the color of that one. That one looks pretty cool. Awesome. Let's see what we have down below. And we'll start up here. We've got the 69 Camaro, convertible Camaro, and the Grand Cross in the Hot Wheels Racing Team coloration there. It's interesting. Looks kind of cool. Nice looking, like kind of SUV, almost like a Lamborghini Urus of some sort. All right, we'll put those ones down. What else do we have up top right here? We've got the 69 Camaro, another one of those. We've got the Roger Dodger 2.0 new color, and here's a brand new color variation. It's the Range Rover Velar in red. We previously have seen this one in silver, black, white, and now we've got the red variation. I really like this casting though, it's really cool. All right, we'll put that one down. And we've got Custom Auto Manga Tuner new color variation, another one of the Custom Autos. Cool. And we'll go up top right here. We've got Electro Silhouettes. We've got the La Fasta and Velasa Racer in a new color. All right, we've got the Circle Tracker. We've got Formula E Gen 2 car, and that's a new color variation. We previously had that one in black. And here's a new casting, the Big Bel Air. That is really cool. I like that one. It's kind of like an off-road Bel Air. Very, very neat. Interesting. All right, what else do we have? Velasa Racer. We've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. That's a really long looking car. And the Erkenstein Rod. I really like that casting. It's really fun new casting. And what else do we have? Bone Shaker. In this one, they did make as a Hot Wheels ID variation. That's just the mainline variation. We've got the 2 Tough and the 2010 Toyota Tundra. Awesome. And here's another one of the Bone Shakers that they made like the Hot Wheels ID variation. That's just the mainline. And my looking forward to favorite new casting of this case, it is the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. We got 2 of them, and I can't tell, it might be a matte finish paint job. No, I think it's just glossy. We'll have to open it up in our next video, but there it is, the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Very cool highlight car of the case for sure. We got the Toyota 2000 GT. That's a really cool one. We haven't seen that casting for a while. There's the Big Bel Air again, and another Manga tuner. And down below here, ooh, that's a nice new one too. That's the Datsun 620. That's like a nice matte finish to it. We've got the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser and the 57 Plymouth Fury. All right. And next up, we've got the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class and 2 of the custom 2001 Acura Integra GSRs. There we go. And our last 3 cars of the case, we have the 71 Dodge Charger, the 69 Dodge Charger 500, and the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. All right, let's get to the highlight cars of this case. And highlight cars are always ones that are new to the case, and we have the 2000 GT from Toyota, and this is the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020, which is no longer on. And we've got the Big Bel Air, really cool new casting, so I'm excited for those 2. Our next highlight cars are the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. There's that nice police edition one, and a brand new casting, the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Really, really fun. Can't wait to open that one up. And the last 2 highlight cars is the Audi RS5 Coupe in black and the Range Rover Velar. So there are our 6 highlight cars from this case. Comment down below which is your favorite car from this case. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.